Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you key support and resistance levels to pay attention to. I do think it's very possible that Bitcoin and the stock market has almost topped out. I think we'll probably range in this area for a while. I have not entered my big short yet. I will when we make contact with this line, as I mentioned in previous videos. It's pointless giving you a price because depending when you make contact depends on the price. If you watch that video where I was talking about this line, you'll understand why this is such an important resistance level, and it can hint to a lot of downside. Now, again, when I do enter the short, I will be posting in Discord my entry, my take profit, and my stop loss. If you want to get access to that, you can sign up to the website. The link's pinned in the first comment and description. Make sure after you sign up, you email me through the website to get a Discord invite link. Guys, if you want to get into leverage trading, I use BitGet, love their platform. I have my links pinned in the first comment description. Also have a non-VPN option for you down there as well. So let's cover a few things, guys. So I will keep you updated in Discord when I enter that short. This here I was talking about the H1 chart. It says your current support level. This is a 5th channel line on the H1 chart. I was talking about this was our support. So when that breaks, expect some downside. I made a post about it. See, we found support here at 30,141. So your next resistance is 30,417. You can see we held support right here, 30,135, pushed up to 30,432. And we hit it again. I was literally to the tick, and we pushed up. You can see currently, this is how it played out right here. It was support, resistance, support, resistance. As soon as we broke that support level, we came down. So your current resistance level to watch right now, if you push up, if you want a chance to short, it's 29,766. Your next support level is 29,269. To find the support level, it's just basically just taking your current resistance, duplicating that line, and bringing it down. That's how you get that target. The next support levels below, this pretty much matches on the M1 chart, which we'll go back to in a sec. 28,900, 28,750. Let's go on, guys. So again, I have a lot of charts showing this is potentially a top. Obviously, if we get above that, well, we have a lot more upside, but a lot of charts are showing we're pretty much close to being topped out. I do think we will range sideways for a bit. This chart, the peak of the bull run chart, this is a lot of resistance here. You've got a 5th channel line right here. You've got this ring that's been resistance, and you have a horizontal, or you have this resistance trend line as well. That is a lot of resistance plus the M1 chart. The Dow Jones, this chart has been very accurate. This ring up here nailed the top when we were up around 36,800 for the Dow. We're getting very close to this next ring we have not got above. This chart has been dead on accurate for years. It is very possible something like this could play out. And by the way, the DXY is pushing up. So it's possible something like this could play out, push back up. I think this could be potentially a top for the Dow to start coming down. Remember, the indices move together, so if the Dow is coming down, NASDAQ has people coming down as well. So I am paying attention to this. I'll be opening a lot of puts on the Dow if we hit this point right here. If we move sideways when we make contact, you can see the DXY is breaking up from a falling wedge. Get a little arrow tool here. You can see that this was our resistance, right? We had a little fake out here, and now we're pushing up. So your current resistance right now for the DXY is around 102.179. If we get rejected, we come back down. We could come back down, hold support. That would play along with why we could get a rejection and then push back up before a final plunge down, which I think is very possible, and that's going to play out soon. And that does go along with this chart. So do pay attention. This 29,366 is nothing more than our previous high back here. That was our resistance. This is now our support. So if that breaks, all right, your next support level to watch will be this blue line right here was a lot of support and resistance. You also have a horizontal support and resistance. There was a lot of resistance around this area. So that's a lot of support around 28,600, 28,700 to catch a bounce if we do not bounce to 29,366. As I said, I expect a lot of ranging here. I expect the stock market to just kind of range up and down as well as the DXY. But again, when we get to this point, this is when I'll be entering a big short. And when I say big short, I just mean it'll be a short that I will hold. I will not be taking profit until we get way, way down below. I do expect this to be potentially a top to come down. That's pretty much it, guys. If you want to sign up for BitGet, my link's pinned in the first comment description. If you want to sign up for the charts and get access to a Discord, the link's also pinned in the first comment description. That's it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.